How to grow your YouTube channel? Growing a YouTube channel can be a challenging and time-consuming process, but it can also be very rewarding. Here are a few tips that can help you grow your channel. Choose a niche and stick to it. It's important to choose a specific topic or niche for your channel and consistently create content within that niche. This will help you attract and retain a dedicated audience. Use keyword-rich titles and tags. When creating a video, be sure to use keywords in the title and tags to help your videos rank higher in search results. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media, forums, and other online communities related to your niche. You can also collaborate with other YouTubers to cross-promote each other's content. Engage with your audience. Building a community around your channel is crucial for its growth. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to share your videos with their friends and followers. Consistency is key. To grow your channel, it's important to consistently upload new, high-quality content. Consider setting a schedule for yourself and try to stick to it as closely as possible. Invest in promotion. You can use YouTube's paid promotion options to reach a wider audience and get more views on your videos. Utilize YouTube's features. Use end screens and annotations to promote your other videos and channel, and take advantage of YouTube's community tab to interact with your viewers. Remember, growing a YouTube channel takes time and effort, but with dedication and hard work, you can achieve success on the platform.